Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. So recently I shared with you all my summer weight loss diet plan and you all loved it and definitely wanted a second part of it with more ideas for weight loss in summer season. So here I am with my weight loss diet plan for summer season part 2. This part, as the previous one, will contain definitely new recipes and delicious as well, all easily preparable and with lots of good amount of fiber, nutrients, vitamins and definitely will help you lose weight fast quickly. So without any delay, let's get started with the diet plan. Early in the morning, empty stomach, we'll have apple cider vinegar water in lukewarm water. To prepare, it is very easy. All you have to do is warm 1 cup of water. To this, add 2 spoons or 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. Now, I personally prefer American Gardens apple cider vinegar. Now, if you cannot have apple cider vinegar water due to any reasons, you can also have normal lemon water, that is warm lemon water with pinch of cinnamon powder and pinch of black pepper powder to it. Now, 15 minutes after this drink, you will have 5 soaked almonds and 2 walnuts. Now, I have a very delicious breakfast idea for all of you. It's the watermelon slush. Watermelon is the fruit that is only available in summer season. So, take full advantage of it and have it as much as you can. Now, for the breakfast, you will have watermelon slush. Preparing this slush is very easy. All you have to do is freeze the watermelon overnight and in the morning, just blend it in a blender. Now, if you cannot freeze it overnight, just blend it in a blender and add some crushed ice to it. And your watermelon slush is ready and prepared to have. It is so refreshing and so delicious and will definitely keep you hydrated and fuller as it contains lots of water in it. So enjoy your breakfast. Now, as your mid-morning snack, you will have 1 glass of lassi or chas with black pepper powder and some roasted jeera powder to it, or you can also have nariyal pani, that is coconut water. Chilled coconut water will work the same way, or if you cannot have that also, you can have chilled lemon water. Do not add any kind of sugar to it as it contains high amount of calories which we do not want in our diet plan. So avoid sugar and have it chilled lemon water. You will enjoy it. Now, have your lunch at around 1 pm to 2 pm, in which we'll have vegetable khichdi. Now don't get pissed already. It's not a normal khichdi, but you will prepare this khichdi with dal and lots of veggies as well. Now you can prepare it with any dal or lentil of your own choice. But the main point is to add a lots and lots of amount of veggies to it. You can add onions, green peas, carrots, tomatoes, zucchini if you like so, and any veggies of your own choice so that you can contain good amount of protein, fiber and minerals in it as well. So add lots and lots of veggies and dal to it, but try to minimize the content of rice in it. Have 1 bowl of khichdi along with raita, in which you will add roasted jeera powder and some black pepper powder to it. You will love having this lunch idea as it is so fuller and so refreshing as well. And try to substitute your salt with pink Himalayan salt for best weight loss results in each and every diet plan. Now it's time for your mid-evening snack. Have your mid-evening snack at around 5 pm, for which you can have black tea, black coffee or normal tea or coffee, but no added sugar to it at all. And try to use the low-fat skim milk for your tea or coffee. Or if you do not want to have tea or coffee, you can also have these 3 tea options: peppermint tea, chamomile tea or the apple cinnamon tea, that is my personal favorite. To buy any of these, the link is in the description box below. You can check it out and buy it from online as well. Now it's time for your dinner, for which you will have fresh smoothie. Now you can prepare this smoothie with mango, apple, pineapple, strawberries, melon or any fruit of your own choice. But make sure it is a fruit smoothie and it is good in quantity as well. So just blend any fruit with yogurt and add some water and chilled ice to it as well, and your smoothie will be prepared. Or if you do not want to have smoothie, you can also have fruit raita of your own choice. Just add any kind of fruit that you like in raita or dahi, low fat dahi, and that's your dinner. Have it in as much quantity as you want. Or if you do not want to have that also, you can have a fresh bowl of salad in which you can add cucumber, tomatoes, fresh lettuce leaves, and you can also add a few cubes of paneer or cottage cheese to it as well. Try to add less salt at night as your dinner. You'll get great results for weight loss. Now, if you feel hungry after your dinner that you will have at approximately 7:30 p.m., you can have a fresh brewed cup of chamomile tea. It is best for boosting your metabolism, for providing you good sleep, and relieving you from all the stress of the day. So try having chamomile tea before going to bed. And as it's summer season, so do not forget to drink at least 3 liters of water each and every day so that you will stay hydrated and as well as easily flush out all the toxins from your body. If you have any query regarding any of these recipes or meals, comment below and I'll revert back to you as soon as possible. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. I post and upload on my Instagram stories each and every day what I eat and how my diet goes each and every day. So do not forget to follow me on Instagram and hit that like button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More. Do not forget to hit that bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I post or upload on YouTube. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.